Hello there. Okay, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to cook for you today Jimmy Dean sausage and shrimp, and we're going to be putting it in a tomato sauce that I made from scratch. The tomatoes was from my garden, and we're going to have that over pasta. Okay, that ought to be interesting, right? Jimmy Dean sausage and shrimp together in a tomato sauce. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so let's get started. Thanks for hanging around. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. And to all subscribers, I welcome you. Alright, let's do it. You gonna cook with Grandma Ray? Alright. Okay, so what I have here is, you know, the Jimmy Dean sausage come in a roll about that big, right? And so I made it into the shape of a football. Let me show you that. Okay, so I left a little piece here to show you how I did it so that we can continue on with the process, okay? Okay, so just break off a piece. And then just roll it in your hand into the shape of a football, like so, okay? And I have my oil in the frying pan heating up on top of the stove. I have the number on number 4 on the gas stove. And I think I have maybe 2 more to do. That's 1 and 1 more after this. And we'll be ready to cook them. Now I would like the fire to be on a number 2 because I want it to cook slow, because I don't want a lot of crust on the edges and the top of the Jimmy Dean sausage, okay? Alright, so I'm going to put them in. My fire is not hot at all. I don't hear nothing. I'll give that a few minutes. Okay, so in the process, after we cook the sausage, then I'm going to take the sausage out the frying pan. I'm going to clean it, and then I'm going to put the shrimp in there, okay? Let me adjust this so you can see the frying pan fully. There we go. Okay, I hope your day is going well. Mine is doing pretty good. I have no complaints. I woke up this morning in my right state of mind, and I think that's a good thing, don't you? Okay. Okay, I hear a little sizzling, not much, just a little. We're going to give it a few more minutes. So, why don't I give you the word of the day while we're waiting, okay? The word of the day is, we all get older, we don't get younger. What a concept, huh? So, since you know for a fact that we all get older, we should start acting accordingly. Don't try to do things that you used to do when you were younger, because you may not be mentally or physically able to do that. Stay in your lane and do what your age allows you to do and your body allows you to do. Okay? That's the word of the day. We all get older and not younger, so we have to adjust our lives accordingly to how we feel in our age. Okay? Alright, let's go back to the Jimmy Dean sausages cooking, shall we? Okay, I hear some sizzling now. We're good. I'm just going to put them all in. I'm trying not to have them touch each other, if possible. This is a good way to utilize the Jimmy Dean sausage. because it only comes into one small roll. And if you was to use that just for breakfast meat, you probably wouldn't get but maybe, I don't know, servings for 3 people or something like that. Whereas this, if you break it up into smaller pieces, you can see, let me show you that, you're going to get quite a few pieces out of the roll. Okay? Okay, so we're going to let that cook slow now that it's actually started. I'm going to turn that down some, and we're going to let that cook slowly. And I'm going to put a top on it to help it. Okay, and so I'm going to give that 5 minutes, and then we'll be back on that. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's put some seasonings on our sausage. I have some Larry's seasoning. We're going to put garlic, ground garlic, quite a bit of ground garlic. Black pepper. I'm going to mix that in so that it gets into the broth so that it's on all sides. Okay, we're going to let that cook for about another 2 minutes, and I think we should be good on that. We'll take a temperature. Okay, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to check the temperature on our sausage. Remember, sausage you cook to 160 degrees. So I have my thermometer here. Let's see. Okay, and you just want to stick it through a couple of them if you have to, so that the probe covers, the meat covers half of the probe. Okay, we're good. We're at 162. Alright, so now I'm going to actually take the sausage out of here. I'm going to wash the pan, and then I'm going to show you how to cook the shrimp. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to put the shrimp in now. Remember, I'm putting the shrimp right into the frying pan that we cooked the sausage in without washing it. I changed my mind. I want the flavor from the sausage to combine with the shrimp. I'm going to put a little Larry's seasoning salt. Okay. And some garlic and pepper. Ground garlic. And turn my fire up to 4, and pepper. Okay, let me just stir that a little bit. Okay, shrimp only take a few minutes to cook, so I'm going to put the top on it and lock that in for a few seconds. Okay, meanwhile, I just cooked my pasta, my spaghetti, okay? So I'm going to drain this off and rinse it to get the starch out of it. Okay, so our pasta is ready, and I'm sure the shrimp are ready. Cut that off. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take the shrimp out. I'm going to wash the frying pan out, and then we're going to put the tomato sauce that I made from scratch in the frying pan. We're going to incorporate the shrimp and the sausage back into it, and I'm going to show you all the way. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is wash the frying pan, and then I'll bring you back. Thank you. Okay, so here's my tomato sauce that I made from scratch. You can go over and check that video out of mine. And so I'm going to heat this up. I just made it, I think it was day before yesterday, and I had it in the refrigerator. So we're going to bring this up to temp, and then we're going to add our meat once it's up to temp. And I'm going to add some grated cheese. Okay, so we'll give that a few minutes to catch up. Let me put a top on it to speed the process. While I have that on, I just wanted to show you this. I may show it to you another time as well. This is made from Pam. This is a cooking spray. But what I like about it is not so much the cooking spray, because I always have olive oil, but that you can take this top off and you can refill the bottle and reuse this over and over and over. This costs $3.99 at my grocery store, and I thought it would be something good to show you guys because it's worth it rather than buying the spray cans over and over and over. Okay? And they have it, I believe, this is olive oil, but they also had it, I think, in canola oil, I believe. Okay, so that's one thing I wanted to show you. I thought that was worth showing you. Okay, alright, so I'm going to take 2 minutes for this to come up to temp, and I'll bring you back. Okay, so our tomato sauce is come up to a boil. We're going to add the shrimp and the sausage, Jimmy Dean sausage, in here. Oh, it smells good, guys. It really smells good. Shrimp give it a nice little color with the brown sausage. That's cool. Okay. Okay, I have my pasta that I showed you that I cooked earlier. Okay, so let's just add some right on top of this pasta. Okay, and let you take a look at that. How about that, huh? And why don't I get in the picture with it? Why not? How about that? Jimmy Dean sausage with shrimp over spaghetti pasta. Huh? How about that? Well, let's taste it, shall we? I'm going to put some grated cheese right on the top. And let me just cut my pasta so I can gather it. Okay. Wow. Very good. The softness of the shrimp was an inviting feeling in my mouth, with the coarseness of the sausage, but yet soft, was beautiful. And that home tomato sauce was awesome. You have got to try this. What a great combination. Okay, alright, give it a thumbs up if you like it, share the video, subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.